Welcome once again to Gourmet School of Culinary Art. So we are still together with the Chef Henry, and hope you have enjoyed my video that I posted a few weeks ago, a few days ago. So now today we are going to continue with the white fish stock. Of course, when you fish, you can get a fish. You can get a white stock. So before we get started, I would like to advise you again to wash your hands and sanitize your hands before you start cooking, before you enter the kitchen. Welcome once again to Gourmet School of Culinary Art Kitchen. So now to make fish stock, we are going to use bones. This is a 500 grams of fish bones, and we are going to use bouquet garni. This bouquet garni is included. We have used a peel of leeks, and we also put celery, steamed, and bay leaves and tarragon. So, and we are going to use Mirepoix, where we're going to cut the carrots and onions, and again celery, and then we are going to use a lemon slice. Lemon quarter, lemon wedge. So anything you are related to the fish is accompanied with a lemon. That's why we are going to use it. So now, before we get started on mise en place, we are going to have 3 containers, as I told you last time. So we are going to use this container, the first container of something of some ingredient we are going to cut, and another container for offcuts, and another container where we will put something we have cut, we have prepared. So before I get started, because I need to sanitize my workplace, just to make sure that our surface is safe. We need to sanitize first, and even the chopping board, we have to sanitize the chopping board. So, and again, this chopping board, again, now it's sliding. So we will need to use the clean towel, where we are going to place it on surface so that it doesn't slide. We don't want our chopping board to slide, otherwise it can even cause accidents. So now we are safe. So, and then I'm going to bring the knives. So now I'm going to start, cutting the Mirepoix. So this is a carrot we are going to cut. So for the Mirepoix, it depends on the longer you cook and the bigger you cut your Mirepoix. So like if something you are going to cook, you can cook in short time, so you can cut the small carrot. But now, because the fish stock it doesn't take long time. So now we are going to cut into small. So again, always remember to keep your fingers safe and even to handle the knife properly. Look. So now I have used 2 medium carrots, and then I'm going to use 2 medium. Now I cut the onions in half, and then I peel. So I'm going to remove the peel depending on the freshness. See? Now for Mirepoix, I can just cut in big size. Look. So we are going to remove the leaves, and then we save with steam. Again, make sure you get familiar with knife. I'm going to cut the big one in pieces. Look. And then the lemon I will need only this. Alright, so the Mirepoix is very important to flavor the dish, like our stock and sauces and so whatever. And then the ration behind the ratio of the Mirepoix, the onions should be more than carrot and celery. It means that onions should be like 2 parts and 1 part for carrot and celery. So now we are going to combine bones and the vegetable and Mirepoix in pan. So we are going to put bones here. And all vegetables except bouquet garni. Except bouquet garni and lemon. So we will put it now. We will put the lemon, after 30 minutes. So, and then after we put water. Then we bring to the boil. So for the stocks, we don't add salt, we don't season, because this stock is a base of different dishes. Like you can't season. The reason behind, maybe you might cook some dish which doesn't necessarily, you can use this stock, to prepare other dishes where the guest does not want, to eat the seasoned food. So in that case, so you will not season your stock. So let's wait until the stock is boiled. Now our fish stock is simmering for 30 minutes. Now we are going to skim. We are going to remove the scum on top, using the chinois or this strainer. And then here we have a cold water. So we are now going to remove the scum. So now we are going to put the bouquet garni and the lemon slice, lemon wedge. Yeah, so then we are going to simmer for 30 minutes, then after we drain. We are going to strain our stocks, our fish stocks, using this conical strainer and the container. So the stock is very flavorful. Then we are going to drain. Nice fish stock. So now you can use it just to prepare, different, like Veloute, like any other sauces. So so now there is something different there is a difference between white and brown stocks, especially for all the white stocks. We don't brown the bones either in oven or fry as we did last time. So but for the brown stock, so we need to brown the bones so that we can get the brown color. So thank you for watching, and it was my pleasure to have you in the class with me, making these talks. See you next time. So don't forget to subscribe and leave the comments and likes to my channel. Hope we will be together. We will be together once again in the classroom. So ciao.